So on this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create your business Gmail account with Hostinger. So all you just need to do is to keep on watching. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Hostinger platform. As you can see, this is my Hostinger platform here. So once you come here, the first thing you need to do is to click on this area where it said email. So once you click on email, it's going to open this up for you. You need to click on this area where it said manage. So once you click on manage, it's going to open this dashboard for you. All you need to do is to click on this section where it said email account. Once you click on it, it's going to open up this page on the screen. You need to click on this area where it said create a mailbox. Click on that and it's going to pop this up. What you need to do is to enter your email account that you want to use. Let us say I will type, once I type testing, it's going to open this up. Testing. So all I need to do now is to enter my password here. You need to enter your password that you want. So I have entered the one that I want to use. I will just leave it just like it is. And all I need to do is to click on this area where it said create. And voila, your email account have just been created. So what you need to do now is to go back to the home page here and go back and do the same thing. Click on email and here you will see your email account. What you need to do now is to click on the section where it said email account. So once you click on it, you will find the email that we just created, which is called testing@yugospower.com. So what we need to do now is to log in this our business email account. So the first thing we need to do is to click on this area where it said webmail. So I will click on that and it's going to bring this to us. All we need to do now is to enter our password. So now that I've entered my password, all I need to do is to click on login. Voila. So I have just logged into my own account. You can save the password if you want, or you just leave it just like you want. I will click on save. And this is the email that we receive. This is just a confirmation email to let us know that we have just created our email with Hostinger. So once I click on it, it's just a welcoming message welcoming you for this email that you just created with Hostinger. So that is how you can create your business account with Hostinger. So anytime anyone send email to this your address, you are going to receive it here and you can reply them if you want and do whatsoever you want. So that is it. Just like, share. If you want to learn how you can connect this your email to your Gmail account, you can leave me a comment in the comment section below, or you can just watch this video that is going to pop up right now.